Hey guys, it's Jess here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. Today we got in a brand new floor plan from Transcend. This is the biggest floor plan that they have released so far, and I'm going to do a little video and show you what it looks like. So let's take a little tour of it. As you can see, it's right here behind me, and it does have all of the same awesome features on the exterior as all the other Transcends. The aluminum on the sides is 25% thicker than the regular aluminum sided trailer, and the front cap is 30% thicker. So let's turn around here and check out all of the upgraded features it has. Right here at the front, at the tongue, we have a power tongue jack with an LED light to help you set up easier in the dark. We have a diamond plate. It's going to protect your siding on the front from rocks or debris that might come your way on the road. We have huge, massive pass-through storage, nice finished, with a universal docking station. Right here we have a battery disconnect, which is going to help conserve your battery power. There is a spray port here where you can hook a water hose, so if you need some water. We have solar. You can plug right in. It's already ready for it. And as you can see, there is a slide on the other side we haven't looked at yet, but this is a 3-slide Transcend. This is the first 3-slide Transcend. As you can see, we have got aluminum rims with nitrogen in the tires. It's going to make for a quieter, smoother ride. Not as much air fluctuation. This is a 50 amp service RV, so you're going to have a little bit more electric capabilities. There is a spare tire already installed, a roof ladder, and the roof is a full walk-on roof. And then we do have the Furrion plug-and-play backup camera prep. So all you need is the monitor and the camera, and you will be ready to roll. Okay, so back here at the front, you're going to see we have motion sensor lighting, which is really nice. We have our shore cord there, and then this is the hose for your spray port. It's already provided. We have a power Solera awning on this section, and then we also have a second power Solera patio awning on the slide, so that gives you a lot of outside space for socialization, family time, all the good stuff. Up here we've got LED lighting as well as marine grade outside speakers, and of course, as always, it is backed by Grand Design's 3-year limited structural warranty, which is absolutely amazing. They take excellent care of their customers. So now let's head inside. We're going to check it out. This is the biggest floor plan they've made so far. This is going to emulate the 315RLS reflection, which is really nice. It's a favorite floor plan, and if you're looking for something in the aluminum sided family, this is going to be a huge rear living model that's going to be perfect for your family. And as always, the construction and quality is going to be top notch. We have our flat screen TV already installed. We've got storage underneath there. And then up here, you'll see this is where we keep our sound system, and that is zoned for inside and outside. It is USB, DVD, CD, AM, FM, Bluetooth. It's got an auxiliary connection. This thing is set up for anything you might need. I'm moving along in the living room. We have LED lighting throughout, so it's going to use about 1/10 of the power of a traditional incandescent light bulb. Huge rear windows, lots of light. This is a pull-out bed that makes a sleeping space. We've got theater seating directly across from the television. Some cup holders. A 4-person freestanding dinette. We do have Shaw carpet. This is going to be good for pets, kids. It's really easy to clean. Now if you turn around here, you're going to see the amazing kitchen. Right here we've got a huge pantry, so much storage, kitchen island with a nice undermounted deep basin stainless steel sink, and then we have the residential style faucet. We have a flat surface top on our oven here. This is a Dometic oven, 3-burner. Plenty of space to bake in there. We have a digital microwave from High Point. Lots of drawers, lots of storage. You can see over here in the hutch that we've got storage above, and then we've got drawers underneath as well. We have an 8 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator. Lots of shelf storage in there as well. Now we're going to kind of head back toward the bedroom. As you can see, we do have motion sensor lighting inside in all the important spaces. Your control center is all right here by the door, making it easy to put your slides in and out, your awnings as well. On in here, we've got the bathroom. Just really, really nice. Nice tall shower with a skylight. So much space and room. And then we have a little towel closet here with a towel rack. And then we have a medicine cabinet with some shelving. And then solid surface countertop just like in the kitchen with a little sink and some storage beneath there as well. Now, the favorite part, the bedroom. This is a huge bedroom. So much space. We've got a slide for the bed. So you're going to have tons of space at the end of the bed. And as you can see, we have a huge closet here with mirrors. We have a place to put a TV. We have a second AC that is already installed. We have a dresser with 6 large drawers. And then as we move over here, you can see we have a second closet with drawers underneath and hanging space as well. So that's very, very nice. Now, under the bed, there's more storage, which is a nice finished area. So you can put larger items under there. And then as we head into the closet, you're going to see how big this closet is, which is so nice. Shelves on either side. And a big long rod. You can put all kinds of good stuff in this closet. Alright guys, well we did it. Thank you for checking out the 31RLS from Transcend with me. I appreciate you taking time to watch our videos. If there's anything you want to see, just leave us a comment and we'll video it for you. Check out our website, summitrv.com, for photos and videos of every RV on our lot today. We are located in Ashland, Kentucky, just off Route 60. Our phone number is 606-928-6795, and we are open until 6 p.m. right now, Monday through Friday, and on Saturdays until 5 p.m., and that's year round. So get with us if you need anything. We'll be happy to help you. Thanks, everybody.